I get this question all the time. Devin, what are the signs that a faceless channel is stuck in view jail because its recent topics are too disconnected? The short answer is your videos might be performing individually, but they're not compounding together. Here's the checklist I use. First, every upload feels like a reset. One video gets traction, then the next one dies fast, even though the thumbnail and title are solid. That usually means YouTube found a cohort for video A, but video B serves a different intent. Second, look at your last 6 to 10 uploads. Can they be grouped into 2 or 3 obvious clusters that the same person would binge? If someone liked one video, would they naturally click 3 more on your channel? If not, your topics are too disconnected. Third, your carryover signals are weak. Returning viewers stay flat, end screens don't move people, and older videos don't get lifted when a new one pops. That's usually a topic clustering problem, not just a packaging problem. Fourth, your traffic patterns feel random. One upload is search-led, the next is browse-led, the next gets suggested next to a completely different audience. That inconsistency is a clue that your channel promise is muddy. My decision rule is simple. If your ideal viewer can't explain what your channel is about in one sentence, you're probably in view jail because of disconnected topics. The fix is to pick one cluster and stay there for the next 5 to 8 uploads. If you're planning that reset in Satara, organize it around one viewer problem, not a pile of unrelated good ideas.